Hey everyone, it's Gage from Premier Boating. Premier Marine completely redesigned the Intrigue for 2026, and the features are endless. Today I'm excited to walk you through one of the most unique pontoons in the industry. It's the all-new 230 Intrigue RLO. The 2026 Intrigue has a fresh new exterior design, and you can choose from the classic hammered panels or the new shiny panel option. You can also add things like RGB exterior rail lighting, vantage film, and other modern accents that complete the look. Inside, you get an all-new Intrigue exclusive Ultra Fabric interior. It's soft, premium, and looks incredible. There's full RGB lighting throughout the boat and a complete Wet Sounds premium audio system. It's comfortable, it's stylish, and it feels high-end the moment you step aboard. Now this is where the RLO stands out. At the back, you'll find transparent stern fencing and the new rear lounger that converts into 7 different seating setups. It's got double couch, forward lounging, rear lounging, full sunbed, kickback chair, kickback couch, and playpen for the kids. And my personal favorite, the new open water panels. These Premier exclusive panels open and close easily, and they make the back of the boat a perfect spot for swimming or hanging out at the sandbar. The Intrigue RLO really shows the innovation and craftsmanship that Premier is known for. If you'd like to see the all-new Intrigue or any of our 2026 models, we would love to have you stop by the showroom. We're right off the shores of Gun Lake. We have 4 indoor showrooms, and we have nearly 45 boats on display. Our low-pressure sales team is here to help you relax, take your time, and find the perfect fit for your family. We look forward to seeing you soon.